Hello students, आज today we discuss about the topic reproductive health. It is the most popular topic of the how do organisms reproduce, and I am Bimal Kumar Sharma from Lucknow Public School, and the main topic is the reproductive health. So first of all, discuss about definition of the reproductive health according to the WHO. As you know, the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral and social, is known as the reproductive health. It is required for the both male and female, not for the one, okay, as well as for the baby also, okay. So the reproductive health is that according to which, yeah, in which, yeah, physically, mentally, behaviorally, socially, economically, emotionally, a human couple is able to reproduce the newborn baby, which should be healthy, okay. So in the regard of the reproductive health, India was first which initiated reproductive health program, means family planning, in 1951. Now today's overall world follow it, okay. But here, wider reproductive related areas are currently in operation under the reproductive and child health care programs, which are run by the India or Indian government in the different areas. In the different areas, it also help to give awareness to the people about reproduction related aspects and to create a reproductively health society. So in the respect of the reproductive health, nowadays central government decided to give the sex education in the schools, and the main and need of that is that what aim and needs are as follow: to provide right information about the sex related aspects, to avoid sex related myths and misconceptions, to give proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence, relative changes, safe, hygiene, sexual practices, sexual transmitted disease, AIDS, etc. So the main aim of the central government as well as state government and other NGOs is that to aware the human being, okay, basically from up to the 12 year, okay students. Now reproductive health is basically affected by the major concept, and this concept is the population explosion, means rapid increase in the population, okay. For example, in 1900 the birth population was around 2 billion, means 2000 million, and by 2000 it rocketed to about 6 billion. In same case in India, population was nearly 350 million at the time of the independence, and it crossed a billion in May 2000. That means every sixth person in India, yeah, in the world is in an Indian, okay. But according to the 2001 session, the population growth is about 1.7%, okay, 17% per 1000 per year, okay. It is the rate of overpopulation, I think, according to the data, biological data, economic data, it should be double in 33 years. Now question is that what are the reasons to increasing the rapid population or population explosion? So there are three basic reasons. First is the increasing health facilities, better living conditions, decreasing death rate, means metal mortality rate as well as infant mortality rate, increase natality rate, increase number of pupils in reproducing age या reproducible age etc. But there are large number of the impact on the society. And what are the impacts of the population on the society means scarcity of the basic needs. And these scarcity of the basic need increase the different problems like unemployment, deficiency of shelter, deficiency of food, etc. But basic requirements are food, shelter, and clothing. And all of these things increase the unemployment, increase many problems. They increase the distance between the central government, state government, and the public also. So these are the major problems which are faced by the human being. But to control the population, there are different type of the plans are organized by the central government, state government, as well as by the different NGOs. Nowadays, two most popular organizations, two most popular programs or slogans are published by the central government and state government, and these are the Hum Do Hamare Do, We Too, or and Our Too. And here, one child norms. This one child norm is adopted by the different type of the families, basically by the short families. Okay, but here central government and state government legally increase the age of the marriage, and this marriage age for the female it is the 18 year, and for the male it is the 21 year. But in the previous era means during the freedom time, the females get married in the 13 year, 14 year, 12 year, and male 16 year, 15 year it is. So this is the rapid increasing in the population. But nowadays society and pupils of the society use the different type of the ideal contraceptives to manage, to control the population growth. Okay students, and question is that how we identify it is the ideal or not. So there are few features of the ideal contraceptives means properties like user friendly, they have no side effect. If they have side effect, then they are the very less, easily available in the market, effective and reversible. Okay, it should not interfere with sexual drives, desires, and sexual acts, etc. Means they have no any kind of the problem with the sexuality. So this is the very easy. And in the reproductive health there are different type of the methods which are used for the controlling. And here first method to control the birth means birth control is the natural and traditional method. That means it avoids the chance of the ovum and sperm meeting. Okay, it includes only three processes. So first process is that periodic absentage. What is the periodic absentage means? Menstrual cycle contain a specific period of the 10 to 17 days where chance of the fertilization are higher. So always avoid the coitus from these 7 days. Okay, these 7 days. And these 7 days are known as the fertile period in the menstrual cycle. So always avoid the sexual contact with female partner, both with each other. Okay. So this prevent the conception. Second is the coitus interruption means withdrawal the semen outside the body after the coitus. Okay, before the ejection inside the vagina of the female means these are the release outside the body. Okay, so next most important is the lactational amenorrhea means it is the prevention methods during the breastfeeding of the child because ovulation has minimum chance. Ovulation is not taking place during the dead period, but means cycles are not occur. That means there is no menstrual cycle, but this is effective up to the 6 months. But it has the more failure chance. Okay, it has the more failure chance. So it is not the most popular, but remain two are the most popular. Next is the barrier method. Here barrier method means mechanical method. In many books it is popular as the mechanical method also. They prevent the physical meeting of the sperm and ova, and they contain the different devices like condoms. These are known as the Nirod, and they are the both male and for the male and for the female also. Second is the diaphragm, cervixes, spermicides, creams, etc. So here first is the condom, and these condoms means Nirods are made up of the rubber or latex, and they are used to cover the penis or vagina and cervix just before the coitus, and they always prevent human being with the STD disease means sexual transmitted disease like HIV, hepatitis, etc. So there are lot of the disease which are the prevented by the condoms. Second is the diaphragm, cervical caps and balls. They are also made up of the rubber but inserted into the female in the reproductive tract by the nurses and doctors, and they always block the entry of the sperm through cervix. They are reusable means after one time they after reuse. Third is the spermicidal creams, jellies, foam. They are used along with these barriers and increase the contraceptive efficiency. Means they never be side effect the organic means human being, but they increase the efficiency of the condom, cervical caps, diaphragm, etc. So they are used with that. And third is the intrauterine devices. These are the most important, but they are the very beneficial, and they are always inserted by the doctors and nurses in the uterus of the female through the vagina. They increase the phagocytosis of the sperm, means they release specific type of the chemicals which phagocyte or destroy the sperm. Like they are also the three type. First is the non-mediated IUD. That means they are retarded the sperm motility. For example, lips loop. They have spermicidal effect, means they destroy the sperm. Second is the copper release IUDs. These IUDs release the copper ions, and these copper ions suppress the motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperms also. Okay, students, these are depress the suppress the motility and fertility capacity of the sperm. For example, copper T, copper 7 multi-loaded 375, and second are the hormone releasing IUDs. They make the uterus unsuitable. They make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. Cervix hostile to the sperm. For example, progesterone, LNG20. IUDs are ideal contraceptives for the females who want delay the pregnancy or space between the children, means up to the 3 year 4 year, then these are used, and they are automatically replaced from the body after the 3 year 4 year, and may be replaced by the doctor. So they are the temporary methods. Okay, student, so these are the temporary method. And for are the most important, this is the oral contraceptive, means using of the pills, means tablets. Mostly tablets are oral administrative, and they contain the progestrogens. Okay, means progestrogen and estrogen complex. But Central Drug Research Institute Lucknow prepare a special type of the pill which has no hormones, and this is known as the Saheli. And this tablet or pill is always take of the 7 days gap during the menstrual cycle. Okay, and it always inhibit the ovulation, implantation, and thick the cervical mucus to prevent the entry of the sperm. So this is the very, and it has no side effect. Here Saheli has no side effect. Saheli is the oral pill for the female which is produced by the Central Drug Research Institute CDRI in Lucknow. It contains only chemicals. It has no any kind of the hormone, steroid hormone, and it is always taken once a week. Okay, and it contains very less few side effects, and it always inhibit the ovulation. Next is the injectables, fifth point, and here progesterone and progestogen estrogen combinations are used by the females. Injections and implant, here females are implanted in the hands and other body parts under the skin. Their mode of the action is similar to that like the pills. There is no side effect, and they are the effective for the long period. Okay, but one thing is remember that progesterone and estrogen combinations IUDs are used also as a emergency contraceptives. Okay, means within the 72 hours of the coitus. If any females wants to that it make a sexual contact but chance of the pregnancy are higher, then she is also used the that these complexes within the 72 hours, okay, sorry, hours, and prevent the coitus. Next is the permanent method, means surgical method. They are the permanent methods and popularize the sterilization. It helps to block the gamete transport permanently. They are generally two types: vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy is the sterilization process in the male where small parts of the vasa deferens is removed or tied up through a small incisions on the scrotum, and it prevents the releasing of the sperms from the vasa deferens to ejaculatory duct. Next is the tubectomy is the sterilization process in the females, and in this method few part of the small part of the fallopian tube is cut down or removed and tied up through a small incisions in the abdomen of the, yeah, through the vagina also. But there is no specific side effect, and they are the permanent method. They never be reversible. They are used only once in life. Okay, but there are many side effects of the different type of the anti natural contraceptive like pills etc, and these are the nausea, abdominal pain, breathe through bleeding breathe through bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding, breast cancer. They increase the chance of the all of these. Okay, so try to prevent yourself by the natural method. So okay, means the first method means natural method. And students, now here the last topic is the sexual transmitted disease regarding the reproductive health, and this is the sexual transmitted disease. Means first is that what is the sexual transmitted disease? The disease which are transmitted by the sexual contacts are known as the transmitted disease. They are also known as the venereal disease, reproductive tract infection also. For example, gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomonas. There are a lot of HIV, hepatitis B also leading the these disease. But one thing is remember that hepatitis B and HIV are also transmitted by sharing of injections, sharing of medical instruments, sharing of surgical instruments, transfusion of the fluid and blood from infected mother to fetus. Okay, so they have the different mode of the transmission with sexual contact also. But all disease are treatable except the hepatitis and HIV. Okay, all are treatable, and they have the many problems. Means HIV and hepatitis. But how we identify that we face a problem with the hepatitis or not? So there are the early symptoms, means itching, fluid discharge, slightly pain, swelling, etc. in the genital region, means in the sex organ or near about the sex organ, absence or less significance early symptom, and social stigma deter the infected person to consult a doctor. If any human being have these symptoms, then consult the doctors also to release from it. Okay, this leads to pelvic inflammatory disease, also means infertility, ectopic pregnancies, abortions, stillbirths, cancers of the reproductive traits, also means sexual transmitted disease, also a one type of the gifted disease. These are give the different type of the disease also, like infertility, unable to reproduce the offspring, ectopic pregnancy, okay, abortions, stillbirth, cancer, etc. in the reproductive cells organ. But all persons are vulnerable to STDs. First of all, they showing the vulnerable disease. After then, they showing the STD. These are very high among person of the age group of the 15 to 24 years, not more than that. Means the age group of the 12 to 24 years showing the these problems. Okay, students. So here different type of the disease, like chlamydia, caused by the chlamydia, trichomonas, gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhoeasis, syphilis, by Treponema pallidum. So they are the different type of the disease. AIDS by the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, hepatitis B caused by the hepatitis B virus, etc. And there is no specific type of the treatment without consultation with the doctor. But here we take many preventions from the STD. These are avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners. Never we do the sex with unknown partner or multiple partners. Always use condoms during the coitus. In case of any doubt regarding the STD, means sexual transmitted disease, then consult always with a qualified doctor for early detection and get complete treatment. So there are many conditions which prevent us from the STD. So this is the very simple reproductive health topic. There is no more typical here. So here, first of all, remember that we always use those methods which prevent the reproductive problems and maintain the health. So always live with happy, emotionally, physically, mentally, socially fit. This is because if reproductive health is maintained, then everything is maintained. Okay, student? So maintain yourself. Thank you and have a nice day. Good day.